Hello and welcome to AC Hydraulic. My name is Patrick and today we'll be looking at our line of wheel trolleys. Now these are available in two very distinct models. One for construction equipment, trucks and buses, whereas this one here is more for agricultural equipment or large construction equipment. Now let's start by looking at WT 1500. It features two robust handles, making it easy to move about the shop, and combined with the oversized casters, you can take it over any kind of terrain. The large pump handle makes it very easy for you to grab onto the tire. Now, if you want to reinstall the tire onto the vehicle, all you need to do is flick the switch and pump again. That will change the direction of the jaws. The pod-mounted turn handle allows you to properly position the wheels, aligning the holes with the studs. Our robust frames are made of high-strength steel to ensure long life, and it's also designed to accept very large wheels up to 1.5 ton capacity. The included ratchet strap is conveniently mounted atop the pod, and this will allow you to securely attach the wheel assembly to the trolley. And now let's look at the smaller version, the more compact WTA 500. It features much of the same features as the WT 1500, but in a smaller capacity. This will allow you to handle truck and bus type wheels. It is also available in an aviation model for that industry. The locking mechanism here can be mounted on top or on the side. Now, one of the accessories that we have for this unit is a crane arm. Now, this will allow you to lift drum brake assemblies, disc brake assemblies, whatever you might need. Don't forget to consider this option. And there you have it. By selecting either of these models, you can make this a one-man operation to safely handle tires in your shop.